In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sequence of automations in Starter Activecampaign. To begin, look at the left sidebar in your Activecampaign account and click on Automations. This is the area where you build workflows that run automatically in the background, based on actions your contacts take. Next, choose the option to create an automation. When you are prompted with different templates, select Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Starting from scratch is helpful because it gives you full control and keeps your automation simple, which is ideal when you are building a basic email sequence. Now you will choose your trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation for a contact. For example, you can select something like subscribes to a list. Pick the trigger that matches how people enter your audience, then click Add Start. This defines the entry point, so only contacts who meet that trigger will begin the sequence. With your start trigger in place, it is time to send the first email. Click the plus icon in the workflow, then go to Sending Options and choose Send an Email. This step is where you create or select the email you want the contact to receive first. Make sure the message aligns with the trigger. For instance, if the trigger is a new subscription, your first email is often a welcome or confirmation style message. Keep your subject line clear and your main call to action easy to spot. After the email, you will add a delay so your sequence does not send everything at once. Click the plus icon below the email, then choose Conditions and Workflow and select Wait. Set the wait duration to whatever timing fits your sequence, such as a certain number of hours or days, then click Save. A good tip is to choose wait times that feel natural for your audience and stay consistent so your sequence has a predictable rhythm. Finally, click the plus icon again to add your next Send an Email step. This begins the repeating pattern for a sequence. Send an email, wait, then send the next email. Continue building with the same structure for each message in your automation. And that is all there is to it.